The Moonlight Adventure of May and the Flying Lantern. In a little village, lanterns glowed bright and laughter filled the air. It was the night of the Mooncake Festival. Families baked, children played, and Grandma Ling handed her granddaughter May a golden mooncake filled with love.
Do you know why we eat these, May? They carry the secrets of the moon and the stories of our ancestors.
Secrets? Stories? Can I find them?
If your heart is brave and kind, perhaps the moon will show you.
Just as May lit her lantern, something incredible happened. It began to speak. But May didn't know. This festival would bring her an adventure she would never forget.
Hop on, May. The moon needs your help tonight.
A talking lantern? This is amazing!
And before she knew it, May was soaring into the starry sky. Higher and higher they soared, past the twinkling stars until the moon itself came closer and closer. There, in the Moon Palace, May met the gentle Moon Goddess Chang'e and her fluffy friend Jade Rabbit.
May, the mooncakes have lost their magic. Only you can help restore their sweetness.
May nodded bravely. She was ready.
What kind of filling?
Not lotus seeds or red beans, but laughter, kindness, and love.
To restore the mooncakes, May needed to gather 3 magical fillings. In the Garden of Echoes, flowers sang and sparkled. May laughed and danced, catching giggles in a crystal jar. On the Bridge of Kindness, a tiny lost star cried for help. May guided it home, and it gave her a glowing feather. In the Cave of Hearts, May faced a mirror of her fears. But with a deep breath, she hugged herself and found the courage inside. From her heart rose a shining orb of love, completing the quest. Back in the palace, Jade Rabbit whisked stardust, feathers, laughter and love into glowing batter. With the treasures of laughter, kindness and love, the Jade Rabbit baked mooncakes like never before. The mooncakes rose, sparkling brighter than ever before.
Your courage, kindness, and love have restored the moon's blessing, May. Taste it, May.
It feels like love and happiness inside.
Lan-Lan carried May back home where her family waited. In the blink of an eye, May was back in her village, carrying a small box of glowing mooncakes. Together, they shared the magical mooncakes, and every bite filled their hearts with happiness. That night, hundreds of lanterns floated high into the sky. May looked up, smiling, as Lan-Lan twinkled beside the moon. And so every lantern carried courage, kindness, and love across the night, reminding us that the brightest light shines from within. Happy Mooncake Festival! May your hearts be full of joy and your lanterns full of light.